Hey everyone, this is Mr. De Vicente, and this is a very quick review of how to get your reports from the SAM website from HMH, in case you forgot or too busy to get your hands on these reports. I know it's been a very busy year, and so the first step will be to type in mypuhsd.org, just like you see up here, and you're going to come to this website and you're going to go to HMH Central and you're going to sign in because you should already be signed in with Google. And then you're going to get to the SAM website, which is this one. And you're going to see your classes here on the left of the screen here. And I have all the sections for most of the classes here. So my reports will be a little bit different, kind of all jumbled together. So, but I'm going to use one of Miss Stanier's classes example. And this is this class here. And so this is the student reports section. And here's where you'll find plenty of resources to use to motivate kids or even send letters home. This one here will send a letter home for each kid, telling the parents of their Lexile level and where they should be. These letters are in English and in Spanish. If you need help with this, please let me know. And another student report would be their progress to college and career. And here, this report will show them where they are in terms of their Lexile and where they should be if they're going to be college and career ready. Over here is the benchmarks. For example, if they turn 18 and they're not reading at 1050 Lexile, that means they're going to have trouble reading the juror book at a district court. Or if they're not reading at 1270 Lexile by the time they graduate high school, they will have trouble applying for federal student aid, which is the FAFSA. And the New York Times is a 1380 Lexile, and the preamble to the Constitution. In order to be able to understand that, you need to have a 1500 Lexile level. And so you have other reports here for students that you can send home. Again, I'm going to make this video short. I did a previous one and it was really long, so I'm just going to go by a lot quicker now. So these are all the reports that you can use for students. For classrooms, you go here and you click classroom reports, and the one you want to use on Friday, June 1st for your final PLC is the growth report. Both of them, these two here. The first one will give you the report of how they did the first time they took the test and the last time they took the test in February, which was test number 3. And you can see Karen here improved 186 points since the first test. And you can see over here, George is scoring at proficient and has made still 80 points more growth. And the other report, the growth goals report, sorry, that's my ELD, they're coming out. And you can see here if the kids have met their goals according to HMH. HMH has a specific goal that each kid needs to reach every year. And right here it tells you if they met those goals according to Lexile growth. And then the final column here tells you where they need to get to. And so we're already 4 minutes into this video, so I'm going to cut it short right there. And so that's what you need for your final PLC meeting. If you need help getting your reports, please don't hesitate to call me and I'll come right over and we can get your reports ready. Okay. Thank you for listening.